Hey guys, welcome to our channel. How to fix search suggestion ban on your Twitter account problem. अगर आपके भी ट्विटर अकाउंट में सर्च सजेशन बैन है और आपको शो नहीं हो रही आपके ट्विटर अकाउंट में, तो कैसे इसको सॉल्व करें आज की वीडियो में बताऊंगा। और हमारे चैनल जापान टुडे को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। A long time, but I find the solution. How I fix this problem, I will tell you. So, first of all, I will tell you why this problem arises. So, first of all, I will go to my mobile screen, and here I search regarding this topic and why Twitter shadow ban your account. They will tell you. So why they not shown your content suggestion, why not shown in your search suggestion, why not shown in your account? Because if you are repeatedly post duplicate or near duplicate content, then this problem arises, or abuse trending topics or hashtag with a hashtag sign, then this problem arises. So you need to stay away from this thing. You need to follow their basic rule and regulation, and make sure you are not using any third party application to tweet, and make sure you update your Twitter account is Twitter app is up to date. And if you are yet facing this problem, then you need to contact with their team. So you can send a mail them, or otherwise you can contact them via chat option. So you can chat with their support team and they will help you to fix this problem. Hope you got valuable information. That's it for today. Search suggestion got banned प्रॉब्लम को इस तरीके से आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो। तो मैंने भी इस तरीके से इसको सॉल्व करा था। अगर कुछ क्वेरी आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं, कुछ टाइम लगेगा इस प्रोसेस को कंप्लीट होने में, तो आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व ज़रूर होगी। तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें।